Today we are going to talk about percentage yield. So what is percentage yield? Percentage yield measure the efficiency of a chemical reaction. Okay, it compares the actual amount of the product obtained with the maximum theoretical amount possible. Okay, key terms are actual yield, that is actually obtained from the experiment, and the theoretical yield, that is the maximum amount of product that can be produced according to the balanced chemical equation. Okay, so how we can calculate yield? Yield is equal to actual yield divided by theoretical yield into 100. What is the percentage yield? Why is the percentage yield is less than 100%? The yield may be lower because some reactants do not react completely, or some product is lost during the filtration or transfer. Side reaction produce unwanted product, and impurities are present in the reactant. These you have to remember those things. That is a short question in IGCSE. So steps to calculate percentage yield. First, balance the chemical equation. Okay. Step 2 is calculate the theoretical yield. Step 4 is record the actual yield obtained, and fourth step is use that formula to calculate it. Yield is equal to actual yield over divided by theoretical yield. For example, a reactant should produce 20 grams of product, but only 16 grams is obtained. So that is actual obtained, that is theoretical. So 16 divided by 20 into 100, that is 80% yield. And that is a good yield at some cases. Okay. Now, question number 2. The theoretical yield of calcium carbonate is 50 grams. Okay, the actual yield is 42.5. So simply for actual divided by theoretical into 100, that is 85%. Now a reaction has actual yield of 18 and theoretical yield of 24. So how we are going to do? We are going to divide actual divided by theoretical, that will give us 75%. The reaction produced 80 grams of sodium chloride and only 68 gram is obtained. So 68 divided by 80 into 100, that is 85%. So that is a percentage yield for this reaction. Okay, that's all about it.